Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to demonstrate the second PUC English solved model question paper 1
Part 1 1. Juliet does not describe the night as dash. Answer is A. Garish. 2. In 2 Dear, dash was the initial punishment given to the criminal. Answer is B. Death sentence. 3. According to the speaker of On Children, life does not tarry with dash. Answer is C. Yesterday. 4. Donna Laura enters the park accompanied by dash in the play A Sunny Morning. Answer is D. Petra. 5. In The Gardener, the rivalry between Tamanna and Basavaya started moving from visible to abstract domain when Tamanna thought of dash. Answer is composing his experiences as ballads and singing them. Borges. Borges believes that poetic act happens when. Answer is C. Both. 7. Complete the analogy with reference to Japan and Brazil through a traveler's eye. Driver, hunter, pedestrian. Answer is C. Play. 8. The voter Roof was a very popular man in his village because. Answer is C. He never abandoned his village to seek work in towns. 9. According to Sainath, more than economic aspect that the cycling brings is vital for rural women of Pudukkottai. Answer is self-respect. 10. Which is the odd pair among the following? Answer is D. Suvartamma and Bisleri. 11. Fill in the blanks with the passive form. The ministers felt it difficult to carry out the death sentence. Therefore, it was decided to alter it to one of imprisonment for life. This was informed to the prince and he agreed to this. The criminal was kept in the prison and they placed a guard over him. 12. Fill in the blanks by choosing the appropriate expressions. Roof's face lit up when he was offered money to vote for Maduka, but on the day of election he was in a fix and decided to vote both Marcus and Maduka. 13. Read the following paragraph and match the pronouns in side A with the noun phrases in side B they refer to. Answer is below. Part B. Answer any 3 of the following questions in 1 or 2 sentences. 14. What are the 2 things that Romeo intends to do after the measure? Answer is below. 15. According to the prophet in On Children, what parents may house and what they may not? Answer is below. 16. What is Chipko movement? Women from which region participated in it? According to Vandana Shiva. Answer is below. 17. Which is the mighty movement mentioned in the poem? Water. Where did it happen? Answer is below. "19. How does Don Gonzalo recall the beauty of the Silver Maiden? Answer is below. 20. How does the poet portray that his love is different from that of others in the poem When You Are Old? Answer is below. 21. How does the child's foot get defeated as described in the poem To the Foot from its Child? Answer is below. 23. Why bowing is difficult for a visitor to learn? According to George Mikes. Answer is below. 25. Laura and Gonzalo recognize each other but conceal their identity. How does the play A Sunny Morning present this? Answer is below. 26. Describe the competition between Tamanna and Basavaya after Tamanna began to compose and sing ballads. Answer is below. 28. Why did the people of Umofia feel that they had underrated the power of ballot paper before in the voter? Answer is below. 29. Write a note on the contribution of Arivoli Hiyakam in motivating women to learn cycling. Answer is below. Part C. 30. A. Read the following passage and answer the question set on it. Answer is below. 'Part D. VI 31. A. Rewrite as directed. Answer is below. 33. Read the following passage and make notes by filling the boxes given. Answer is below. 34. Report the following conversation. Answer is below. 35. Complete the following conversation. Answer is below. 'Or B. Imagine you are the president of your college union. You are asked to introduce the chief guest Girish, and on the occasion of World Disability Day, based on the information given below, write a speech in about 120 words. Answer.